A while back when I used to be interested in origami, one of the things I used to make a lot would be a paper balloon. It's pretty cool. You can blow it up and it doesn't float around or anything, but it's pretty neat to make. So that's what I'm going to show you how to do today. I also used to make ninja stars, and I used to make a series of them and just connect them in this one giant frisbee-like thing. And that was also pretty cool. So I might teach you guys how to do that. Let me know what you think of this tutorial, and I'll see about making that tutorial also. So today I'm going to teach you how to make a paper balloon, and what you need is a piece of printer paper and a scissor. The scissor, however, is optional. If you want to do things without scissors and you just, want to make the folds yourself, you could do that also. You don't need the scissor. So the first thing you want to do is to get a piece of printer paper, and you're going to make one fold across like that. So you want to bring the corner of this paper all the way until it meets the left edge of the paper. And you want to fold it so that this is flat. You want this to be perfectly lined up. You don't want it to be hanging over like that. So we're going to fold it. Alright, so that's pretty lined up. Now what you want to do is you want to cut off this excess that you have here. If you did want to fold it and rip it off, that would be fine, but I'm going to cut it just for simplification in the tutorial. So you want to cut off this little extra ledge here. Alright, so you can throw that away, and what you have here now, if you open it, you'll see it's a square. And it should measure 8 inches by 8 inches. And as you'll see, it already has that one fold in it now. So now that it has that one fold in it, you want to take, so you can hold this fold going like that, and you want to take the corner of this page and you want to make another fold that's perpendicular to this one. So you want to take this and you want to fold it all the way until it meets the edge. And then you want to make a crease like that also. Okay, so now if you open it, you should have a square that has an X in it. Now what you want to do is you want to hold the X in front of you, and you want to take this paper and you want to fold it in half, just like that, until this piece meets the other piece. The edge meets the edge. And now you want to make a crease like that also. So just crease it. And now you'll see, if you open it, you should have an X and a line going through the middle. Okay, so what you want to do now that you have the X and the horizontal line is to fold the paper in half. And you want to just make sure that that crease is pretty good. Lay the paper flat, and what you want to do now is you want to lift this first layer up and you want to tuck this corner in. So this corner is right here. You want to tuck it down here, all the way near my thumb. You want to tuck it in like that, and then you want to fold this flap down, and you want to make a crease in the middle here on that new fold. So then we do the same thing with the other side. Lift this first layer up, and you tuck this corner in. And then you just make a crease here. Alright, so just make sure the whole thing is pretty flat. Okay, so what you should have now is you should have something that looks like this. It just has these flaps here. So you hold it here so it looks like a triangle, an isosceles triangle, and then you take one flap here and you fold it up so that the tip of this meets the top of the triangle. And then you make a crease. Do the same thing with the other side. And then flip the paper over and you do the same exact thing. So you fold this up, fold this one up, And now you'll see you have a diamond. And each of these flaps should be folded up just like that. Now what you want to do is you want to take, remember there's two different layers here. So you want to take the first layer and you want to take these ends here. You want to take these ends and you want to fold this piece into the middle on this line. You want to fold it right like that. So you fold it like that. Do the same thing for the other ones. Flip it over. You don't have to be too neat about it. It doesn't really matter. Alright, so you should have something that looks like this, and you should have two free flaps or wings on the front and two free on the back. So what you want to do now is you want to tuck each of these wings into these little pockets that are here. Okay, so to do that, you take a flap and you fold it straight down so that the tip of this is meeting the tip of this one. And you want to fold it straight down just like that. Then what you do is you fold it over, and then you could tuck it into that pocket. So you just open it like that, and you tuck the tip of that into the pocket, and you push it all the way in, and then you fold it down. And then you want to do that for the other three. And the last one, fold it over, open the pocket, tuck it in, and there you go. You have a paper balloon. Alright, so the balloon's ready to be inflated. All you have to do is to flip it over. And then if you open it by folding it like that, what you'll see is that there is an opening here. So what you have to do is just blow on it and the balloon will be inflated. And it just takes one breath, which is the good thing about it. And there you go. You have a paper balloon. So hope you guys enjoyed the tutorial, and thanks for watching.